Hello and welcome to today's programming resource video. Today I'm going to show you unDraw, which can be found at undraw.cl. So if you go to undraw.cl, it will take you to this page, which just gives you information about the style, license, history, etc. about unDraw. unDraw is an open source graphics resource. So if you click Browse Now, you can start seeing a bunch of different graphic options here. Or you can click Search and search. So like for example, video. There's a bunch of video related graphics you can use here. You can also click this little drop down and choose whatever accent color you want. So if I do 800 40, which gets me this like pinkish or dark maroon color, all the places that was purple have now changed to that maroonish color. Or if I do my green color, all the uh, colors change to that green. And you notice it's not just that green that changes, but there are some darker shades here. Um, and so like it's not just that color, it picks some other colors similar to it so that it all fits together and blends in. So that's undraw.cl. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button down below. Ring the bell and subscribe to get notified of any other videos I release. Questions, comments, concerns in the comment section, and relevant links are in the description. Till next time, bye.